Hi guys, it's me again. I hope you are all doing well. Welcome to season number 2. I am so glad to see you guys again. Today we're going to talk about 3 things that you can drink that are vegan, that are vegetarian, that will help you curb hunger. And I really think this is going to be a great video. It's going to really help you out. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that you need to do if you want to curb hunger and you don't want to find yourself just munching on things, one of the easiest things you can do is drink a glass of water. A lot of people think that they're hungry when they're actually just thirsty. And I found that just drinking a little water really helps. And if I'm really dedicated, then I put a bottle of water in my bag wherever I go. And then when I'm feeling like I have the munchies, I can drink some water. And this isn't so that you can, become, rail thin or anything. It's just to be healthy. And it also helps you to be hydrated. So instead of reaching for a snack or a Snickers, go ahead and have a bottle of water instead. So the second thing that you can do to curb your hunger without eating a single thing, and it is vegetarian, is coffee. And I'm not suggesting you drink a lot of coffee because it does have caffeine, and depending on your body, it may work differently. Like caffeine works differently for me. Like a lot of people get a high on caffeine. I don't get that. So coffee can be really good for you. If you are hungry, just have a cup of black coffee, put a little sugar in it if you need, or even honey. I found that it curbs it for a very long time. So definitely try it out, see if it works for you. Okay guys, now for the third thing. This here really does work. A lot of people don't try it, but it works. Get yourself fresh ginger and then make yourself ginger tea. You can put whatever you want in it. If you want to put lemon, if you want to put berries or juice in there. I don't recommend sweet juice or maybe like lemon juice. It has a really amazing capacity to really curb hunger. So I really suggest if you are thinking about ways of curbing hunger, so you're not just eating things, just snacking on them and adding unnecessary calories and bad things to your life, then I would suggest try ginger tea. It's really great. It's one of my favorite things to have, and it really does curb your hunger. So guys, that is the 3 things that you can drink to help curb your hunger without getting the munchies or eating bad processed foods. I hope this helped you, especially if you're a vegetarian or you're a vegan or you're on a very special diet. So thanks so much guys. Have a great day. Bye.